Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can start with Arduino UNO basic course, and I will make all the tutorials about all the basic stuff. This is the Waqas website. Waqas, I don't know what to call it. WOKWI Waqas or something Waqas, something like that. But let's get started from it. If you want to start from scratch, let's bring this Arduino UNO. As you can see on my right side, it's Arduino UNO and it's selected. It all has the pins, and on the right side we have sketch and JSON file for the Arduino, and these are the library manager. From here you can add or upload libraries. Let's go back to the sketch, and we will do the first code, which is blink Arduino blink code. You have to add one resistor. Let's bring a resistor and one LED. So if you want to change the color of the LED, just click on LED and you can select any color you want, like blue, red or anything. And if you want to change the value of this resistor, you have to go to this on the left side, then diagram.json. As you can see, I added these components and everything is added accordingly. So you can see, go to this resistor value, and here it says value 1000, that means 1 kilo ohm. Make it 220 ohm resistor, and that's the value you will need. So if you want to rotate the component, press R, it will be rotated. If you press R again, you can rotate any component you want. So connect this LED anode terminal with one terminal of the resistor, like so, and this other terminal of the resistor to pin 13, and then go to other terminal, which is cathode. This will be connected to ground pin. So if you want to change the colors of these wires, you can do that by going to this JSON file. As you can see, it's green with resistor, and you can change the color to red, and this one is also should be red, and this one should be black, which is ground terminal. As you can see that PLACK black. Now everything is good. So go back to the sketch, and if you want to write the sketch, you can do that. But if you have this Arduino Uno installed, or you can just go to the Arduino.cc. This is the official website of the Arduino, and here you can go to the getting started, built-in examples. Go to built-in example, and first is this blink LED, and this is all the requirement that you need, and this is the same diagram that I have created without any PCB. So this is the code that you need. Just select all and copy it. You just need this part, upper one, just left it. Copy this one and go back to this and select all, delete this one and paste it again, that the code that you have copied. As you can see, void setup, pin mode, built-in LED. This will be set as output, and in the loop you can see digital write, built-in LED. This one goes high, after a second it will goes low again. So I will start the simulation and you will see how does it works. As you can see, LED is blinking, LED is turned on and turned off. Every second is turning on, it is turning on and turning off, turning on and turning off, which is that condition of this pin 13 is going high and low, high and low. You can also fast this blinking rate by reducing the time, which is 1000, make it 500. This blinking rate will be faster. Let's start. As you can see, the blinking rate is faster than before. If I do that again, like if I make it 100, let's see how it will work. It will start blinking faster than before. Let's do it 300, 300. Start the simulation again. As you can see, the blinking rate is pretty much faster. So that's how you can get started with Arduino Uno. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.